Hi, my name is Jason Strongerhead. A lot of people has been asking me, right, why did I not diversify and dump all my money onto technological stocks during this stock market crash? I thought after seeing this news today, it will be a good case study to explain to you why I make the decision. If you're interested, stay tuned, okay? So today, right, there's a big news. NASA finally resumed human space flight from US soil, okay, because of SpaceX launch. And Elon Musk is overjoyed. Okay, he said that after 18 years of hard work, pay off like this, right? You also will be very, very emotional. So why is he so emotional? Of course, it is because this is a big thing, right? It's a big invention. Okay, and why is it that he has got something to do with stock market, and especially Tesla, correct or not? Okay, and this thing is so big, even Donald Trump, right? Okay, he went ahead and go for to experience and witness the NASA launch, the space launch. Now, why is it such a big thing, and why is it that the stock market will be implicated? Okay, so if you look at the stock market, right, throughout the 133 years, okay, the industry has always been powered by what? Innovation technology. Okay, so there are two main innovation that has championed and power and drive the whole industry forward. One is from electricity to and the diesel era, right? The other one is the IT era, which we are in right now. Okay, it has always been powering the economy. But of course, some people will tell me that, hey, if you look at the correlation between technology and the stock market, right? Okay, doesn't mean it is 100% correlated. Yeah, but I understand all that. I understand. Okay, so if the technology is doing very well, and does it mean that the whole stock market will be pushed forward and influenced by it? Not necessarily the correlation is 100% true, right? Okay. However, I want you to take a note. Okay, so based on the Moore's law, okay, microprocessing power roughly doubles every 2 years. Okay, commonly law says that energy efficient in computer doubles every 1.57 years. Okay, there's a Cringer law, I don't know how to pronounce. Okay, the data storage doubles every 13 months. And according to Shannon Hartley, communication speed potential is limitless. And look at DNA sequencing, it's moving at Moore's law like speed. Okay, all this is going to make the quality of life better, right? Okay, so when you look at technologies like that, of course, it may not mean the overall stock market will be going up. Okay, but what about the individual stocks that is responsible for that? And what about those indices, right, that is related to technology? So let's take a look at the Nasdaq versus the S&P 500. Okay, the technological stock versus the normal companies, right? Okay, so the blue line represent the Nasdaq. Okay, the black one represent S&P. Can you see technological stocks? Okay, of course, when it drop a lot, right? Since the 2000 bubble burst, but after that, it has recovered and it has always been going up and always leading more than the S&P 500. So can you see the rewards, right, when you bet on technological stocks? Just an example. Okay, so if you look at QQQ, is another index, right? Like a index or ETF like that will mirror the Nasdaq and the top 100 stocks, right? Okay, so the QQQ is doing even better. Now, when you're looking at this particular ETF, right? I caught this ETF quite late. Okay, I didn't buy into it. Yeah, it really run up so much. Yeah, but look at this ETF called ARK. Okay, they have been only investing mainly on disruptive technological stocks. Okay, and because of that, look at the price range. As always, is outpaced, right, the Nasdaq. Yeah, because they are always looking at disruptive technological stocks. Okay, and if you compare Nasdaq and ARK and Tesla, okay, the black color line it's Nasdaq, the blue color line is ARK, the green color line is Tesla. Can you see? Tesla is moving higher and growing faster than all the Nasdaq and ARK. Yeah. So what I want to show is that when you invest in if you spot the technological stock, right, that is disruptive in nature, okay, there's a high chance, right, that you will have very good returns. Okay, despite the fact that I understand Tesla fundamentally, you know, in terms of debt, all that, if you look at value investing, it failed most of the criteria. Okay, but because it's a disruptive technological stock that is going to change the world. Okay, so all these kind of a stock that has the potential to change the world, the return, the potential returns, right, will normally be higher, which is the reason why, right, I put my bet on technological stock like Tesla. And check out Nasdaq and Tesla and Amazon. So Amazon, I think no doubt about it, right? I still remember when I met Dr. Alexandra Elder in Singapore, when he shared with me about Amazon. At that time, it was less than $200, and he told me that Amazon easily is a $1,000, $2,000 stock. I did not believe in him, so I bought it, and then when it dipped a bit, I sold. So I actually lost money. Okay, Amazon, stupid, right? If I hold until today, I will have easily 10 bagger, 10 bagger. All right. Okay, so now at that time, right, Amazon fundamentally, was it strong? No, it wasn't. So similarly, right, if you think Amazon is expensive back then, and today you feel that Amazon is still expensive, right? So in the future, when Amazon continue to disrupt and change the world, do you think the price will stay in this range? So similarly for Tesla, right? Okay, if you believe that Tesla is going to be one of those stocks, it's going to be like Amazon, and now you feel it's expensive, but a few years down the road, do you think if it's continue to prove its point that it's going to disrupt and it's going to change the world, it's going to change a lot of things in this, and change the energy industry, change the transportation industry? Okay, so do you think, right, that it will dominate the market and that the share will continue to escalate up? So if you didn't think so, then these are the kind of stocks that you could look at, yeah, potentially. And what I want to share is just to take note, technology, creativity, and free market can turn all the bad news, all the long-term lousy forecasts around, right? Because technology and creativity will win out for as long as free market exists. Yeah, as long as there's capitalism and there's a free market and technology is there and people are staying creative, okay, a lot of potential amazing thing is going to happen. Yeah, human spirit is amazing at preserving capitalism and building wealth. So if you are someone who believe in that and you believe that technology will be something, right, that will only make the quality of life better, and as a result, a lot of people will buy into it, and therefore the future of these business will be good, wouldn't you want to be holding one of those stocks? Okay, so this is what I want to share with you today. But stay tuned. If you really like what I'm sharing, please remember to click like, because the next episode that I'm going to share with you, it's about President Trump and the stock market. So some people are saying that he's going to lose and he's not going to be re-elected. Some people say he might be re-elected, right? So based on history, whether is he going to be re-elected or not going to be re-elected, what will be the impact on the stock market? If you enjoy it, stay tuned. And if you click like, you will be the first to be notified when I release this video on Wednesday. See ya!